Hello, beautiful people.
Hi guys, today we continue our waterfall exploration.
Today we are in Milton. The weather is not so nice, but this won't stop us from exploring this town, especially the Hilton Falls.
Let's go.
It's the weekend, and as you can see, it's raining. But since we already made reservations, we are still going. The rain is going to stop anyways. It should. Here we are. It was a smooth entrance, as our car plate was registered in the system already.
This place is equipped with essential facilities, with enough picnicking and resting spaces for its guests. It looks very well maintained. Hilton Falls has a 33.5 kilometer of color-coded trails consisting of a series of overlapping loops. The trail we will take is the yellow one, which is a total of 3-kilometer distance round trip. We must be mindful of our responsibilities. We are now approaching the trailhead. There's one over there and another here. Each trailhead has an information board where we will find the trail map, the trail etiquette, and the COVID-19 update. Obviously, because of the rain, the trail is wet and some parts are muddy. It is very important that before you leave the house, you check the current and the hourly forecasted weather so you will be prepared. Some sections of the trail are rocky, so beware of some sharp and slippery rocks as you could get yourself hurt. Make sure to wear proper shoes, to watch your steps for rocks, mud and water, to look ahead and to check your surroundings every now and then. Let's be mindful that we are in a large mixed forest. There are certainly different animals around which we may encounter at any time. Trail intersections are marked with letters, numbers, and color-coded arrows for easy reference.
Look at the lush greenery side of this park. Look how tall the trees are. Amazing. You will find picnic and resting areas within the trail. They also place the public restroom within the big intersection, which is really a great idea. Very useful.
This rocky area here caught our attention because of its unique formation and the visible tree roots that clung into the rocky ground. It's also easy to climb. We finally reach the waterfall. Informative viewing areas are available around the place. There's more picnic tables around here, and the great thing is, there is this bonfire area where people can gather and maybe have s'more. Now we shall start our waterfall experience. But first, let's explore the stream. This place has an interesting history, and I will continue to give you facts as we continue our exploration. I believe the rain increased the amount of water flowing into the stream and the falls. I couldn't help myself. The other side of the stream is inviting me. I need to get there and capture the other side of its beauty. Oh, it feels amazing to get this close to water. It's been a long while. Hello there, paparazzo. As you can see, in this part of the stream, you don't have to worry about the current. It is not strong. Surprisingly, the water isn't chilly. It's actually nice. We must be careful though of the rocks around the water, especially when we are crossing to the other side, as I noticed that there are some rocks that are unstable, wobbly and slippery. I advise you to test the stability of the rock you plan to step on every now and then until you successfully get to the other side. Oh my gosh! It feels so great to be this close to the stream. I love the rushing yet calming sound of the water. I love how the water cascades into layers of rock. I love that I am able to capture its beauty in different angles, and ultimately, I love that I get to share this beautiful scenery with you. Gotcha, my love. I could spend many hours in this spot and enjoy this beauty, but we still have the main attraction to see and explore. So it's time to go down and join the other guest. And there you are, Hilton Falls. You are so beautiful. Wow. Look at this water flowing beneath the rock wall surrounding these lovely falls. Isn't it splendid? The Hilton Falls Park total land area is 645 hectares or around 1,600 acres. It was opened to the public in 1971. The Hilton Falls Conservation Area is owned and operated by Conservation Halton.
Now, let's get closer to the falls.
Hilton Falls is a 10-meter waterfall and one of 140 public parks along the Niagara Escarpment, making it part of the UNESCO World Biosphere Reserve. Here's a big fact for you. The Hilton Falls is named after Edward Hilton, who constructed the first of 3 mills in 1835. The mill was abandoned in 1837 when Hilton joined the William Mackenzie Rebellion and was reopened when the property was purchased by George Park in 1856. Many of the stone ruins you're looking at right now are from the mill that George Park built, which burned down in 1857.
recharging to see this falls up close, and definitely worth the long hike. Glad we came here, guys.
Being this much close to the raging waterfall, the mist is getting all over me. But you know what? I don't mind at all. In fact, I am feeling really good about it. We rarely get to experience this, so might as well indulge into it. We are so glad we found this place. The purpose of the Hilton Falls Park is to provide recreation, preserve unique habitat, and serve as a reservoir for flood control protection for urban Milton, and increase summer low flow in the west branch of the 16-mile creek, which is a river in Halton region in the Greater Toronto Area. Speaking of Milton, it is a town in southern Ontario, Canada, and part of the Halton region in the Greater Toronto Area. Consisting of 365 square kilometers of land area, Milton is located 40 kilometers west of downtown Toronto on Highway 401. I personally find this waterfall and the whole experience invigorating and enchanting. We just had our delicious late lunch at June Kitchen. We are in Cambridge and it's a beautiful place. It has a strong feel of Europe. Not far from the restaurant, we found another beautiful scenery. Oh, Canada. You are indeed home for eternal natural beauty.
That's about it, guys.
And if watching this video made you feel like jumping under a waterfall, please like, subscribe and share our videos.
Thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye.
Bye guys.